Assalamualaikum. Hi everybody, do you know who I am? I'm Ayesha Visits. Today we're at my grandma's house, and you can see all the plants at the back, and there's a lot of plants.
What have you done here?
I've done a lot of stuff. My baby sister, my
Did
baby
you help
cousin.
them in preparing the meal?
No way. I just played all day, then I got
Really?
bored.
You didn't take part in the preparation.
Yeah, then I got bored.
What is preparing here? Can you show me?
Okay, so these are the cooking materials. Let me just pass through this.
What are they making?
I think they're making rice. So I have a lot of stuff, and see. Look,
Is it
wait.
fun over here?
Huh?
Is it fun over here?
Yeah, sure. There's a car too. This car. It's more.
Yours?
No, it's my brother.
Your
My
brother.
big brother.
Okay.
Okay. I'll put it here and I'm sorry.
Yeah.
How about some watermelon? Today you want them? Hey, come over here. I'm eating mama. This is a bunch. My mamu has been what's that called?
Slaughtered?
Slaughtered goat.
Goat. Oh, you have eaten a goat. Oh.
It's all this watermelon. It's all red.
Oh.
It's delicious
Oh.
and it's sweet.
That's
I
sweet.
think it's
Yes, you have eaten it.
yeah. Now I'm gonna pick up. One, two. These are heavy, but not all. This one is all. This is heavy. It's a retirement day. I can't believe it that I'm in this window thingy. The stairs, footsteps. Welcome to my secret. I can see the weather up.
Huh?
It's a bit right now, but it's okay.
What happened?
Ah! There was lightning! Come on!
Dust storm. Yeah?
Come on! They're all saying, come on! Get down, Ayesha! Rosie?
Want to go?
Yeah, come on! It's too late! If they come, they'll be stuck in here and be dead. All of the people will get out. Come on!
There's no earthquake, it's dust storm.
Only dust, the window, and all of the things, the sky is all like a tornado. Come on!
Tornado?
Yeah! I think there's going to be a tornado, so come on!
What are you doing here?
I'm doing because you let me in here.
Because it's storm outside, dust storm.
No, it's a tornado.
It's a tornado.
It'll blow the house. And then, if there's an earthquake, then we'll be all dead.
Ah.
Earphones blow.
Are you scared? Don't be scared. And ask Allah for help. Oh, Allah help us.
Allah help us.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Someone is at the door.
No, it's wind. Come here, come here. Don't be scared. Come.
I want to go back home.
Oh, come here, come here.
Where's the zip here? I'm inside here.
Ah, you're inside this net.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm trapped house. Okay. Someone is at the door. It seems like Cushy. I'm coming, Cushy. It was a terrible idea.
What? What is terrible idea?
We got up.
I know you're not scared. You're just acting.
Yes. But I'm scared of the wind, man. The thunderstorm.
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 Thunderstorm.